Hey, Trey's alright. Live trading. We've gone enough into the session to get just an idea of the direction. We've got IGC here. Obviously, this is the hot stock right now. Announced India Globalization Capital to use blockchain to address issues just with their medical cannabis, with their industry there. Are they with medical? What do they actually do? 11 full-time steel. This doesn't make any sense. India Capitalization is engaged in the development of cannabis-based therapies to treat pain, PTSD, seizure. Oh, okay, so they're talking about blockchain. So yeah, okay. Even though the sector was steel. Okay, interesting. Fair enough. All right, so it's finding some support here in the 130s nearly. We'll see. It's not really what I wanted to see. Was it come down? I mean, there's support. There's a little bit of support in the 120s there. So, okay. It's not 70 cents and it's not, like a major sell-off. So, I mean, there was a little bit of selling here and there. So, okay. We'd say the 120s, did have some support. Where's the entry candle? I mean, what's the high there? 133. Maybe just a 130 entry. Few thousand shares potentially. The low on that candle is 124. About the low on that candle, 122. So maybe like a 120 just with the spread that it's got. So a 120 stop. It'd be a mental stop. Obviously, this is day trading. It's nearly scalping. I mean, I'm trying to hold positions a bit longer though, when they've still got valid setup. So I mean, it is. You got the bit in the ask. How's it looking? If you got it there in the 130s, I mean, getting in now would be a little aggressive. Again, this is just a demo account, guys, so apologize to anyone. Right here, it's looking interesting. It's an aggressive size position. Nothing else is really moving. So spread out. You know what? I'm just not really a huge fan of this. I mean, it's not really meeting the setup criteria, so I'm just going to avoid. If you're missing out, just leave that. And XCD is really choppy. How's SGLB going? What about Stevie Johnson got out? It's hard to rate that one, really. I mean, obviously it tipped some resistance, and now it's a bit of a mixed bag here, really. So back to IGC. I don't have to be up that early, really. Pardon me, I've got work tomorrow at 11:30. So my buddy Chad, another Perth trader. We just sort of, he might be looking at things, I'll be looking at things, and we have similar sort of trading styles. So we might be having a look at INTV with a smiley face too, because it's good to be positive. Oh, not really great volume, so interesting. I really want to sort of get in, but I mean, we've got resistance up here in the 140s. So if I'm talking about the low of that candle being, it was low of that candle was 122 with the spread how it is at around 2 cents or so. Be a 120 entry in at like 130, resistance in the 140s. Like here with the pre-market stuff. So risk to reward, pretty bad. So I'm just probably going to pass on this one. It's just, it didn't panic enough to warrant like a genuine dip buy as well. INTV, let's have a look at that. Integrated Ventures, I knew this one sounded familiar. Are they talking blockchain too? Oh, don't do the not responding. Oh my god. Doing a live video. Doing a live video, mate. There we go. I'm not going to edit that out. That is going to be captured. It rescued itself there, so that was good. Alright, so we've got Integrated Ventures secures $1 million funding round featuring cryptocurrency prepayment option. Just discussing it's a good number 5 bounce potentially. The only bad thing is just the volume. Just the volume. That's it. It's not really good. And it's got that catalyst, it's like it's capturing the mania, which is, cryptocurrencies, Bitcoin as well. So it might just be worth putting down 500 shares and just seeing, well, I mean, that's too speculative though, so I don't think I'll be doing that. Alright, so we might see a bounce off here because there's a little bit of support in the 120s, to be honest, so okay, back to it. Okay, so what was I? I was talking about some support here in the low 120s. This breakdown here looks more bearish than bullish, to be honest. A couple of the bid ask there's a lot more volume here in the ask as well, just looking at that, some big orders. But we'll see. None of this is sort of a dip buy, and I discussed in the watch list I'll only be trading dip buys, so I'm not going to take any of these. I want to keep the video going a little bit longer. Oh, I'm not too familiar with this setup. If it gets wiki but closes near the high, that's a good sign. That's pretty bullish. So we'll see how that one goes. SGLB, I was talking about a dip buy off the 290s. Hasn't really happened. Bit of a mixed bag. I'm going to close this down. It's just because it's not running the best, and the less stocks I have open, the better. My intent runs about 2 megabytes a second, so that's what I'm dealing with. Taking stops out. You see this? That's what that is doing. That is taking your stops out. Okay, that's that. Blah. Look, I mean, I didn't really discuss a play in detail with this one, and the volume's not great. I'm going to close that down as well. Need some more water. And XTD, it's like flip a coin, It looks very range bound to me, so not tradable. And then IGC, a little bit, I mean, it is basing off this 120 level pretty well, but it wasn't a panic sell. To the 90 cents was, my plan B. 70 cents was ideal for a dip buy. Hasn't done that, and it's just sort of hard to read right now, so I'm not gonna. Volume slowly coming in a little bit now. Out of curiosity, let's see what Bitcoin is doing. I might close that down. I had a YouTube video going. So it's like, do I have to? Well, come on, we're making the video. I will be getting fiber optic soon, which should mean 10 times faster internet. But that's only going to be like 20 megabytes a second. But that's pretty quick. Oh, yeah, okay. So there's a little bit of resurgence going on here with Bitcoin. It's a 4-hour chart. To me, that's, yeah. It's crazy how much it's gained though. Look at, it's just unbelievable. Congrats to the people who got in early and is holding it, because it's something to behold really. It's bullish again. That is right here. A bounce. Anyway, I'll close that down. A lot going on with that one. INTB, IGC. Oh, right there is pretty good. Volume is still really good on this one as well. Again, I've discussed, it's just not doing anything special. Let's get ABW1 up. Is that on the scan? It's not, but we'll have a little looky look. Come down a bit of a sugar high, some chocolate. One of those like chocolate stockings with like various chocolate bars in them. Had that early this evening, and now it's just like a crash. This was the stock that is a junker. The big orders there, 30331. That they had an info support agreement with GE Aviation. They just sort of used the name. There wasn't anything really substantial to this. It was just a lot of hype, but it's moved again. Volume's terrible. I don't want to close it down. It's just not going to move very faster. That's all. How about MGTI? What's that doing? That old chestnut. You guys are the biggest Bitcoin miners in the US, so please work. Oh, well, that's pretty pleasing. Oh, okay, so Percival, Jules, and LLP, pardon me for the mispronunciation, is investigating MGT Capital Investments for potential breaches of fiduciary. Apologize. Okay, so interesting. It's up. So volume's not too bad. It's not really anything that, trade-wise, so I'm going to close that down immediately. Disappointing, guys. I was all amped up and holiday trading, here I am, and oof. I'm going to let this go. I mean, what it might do is just keep creeping. Then it might test the higher day. The higher day is 163, so we'll see. I mean, that's going to mean it's going to be up, 120+%. But we'll see. This is a bit of a long video. I'm not going to edit this. I'm just going to keep it up as is. But nothing really. So volume on that now. This is not something that I am familiar with my trading. So I mean, it obviously looks like it could run now. But I'm going to leave it, guys. I'm going to end the video. I'm going to upload it. And I hope this helps. This is sort of me explaining my subconscious out loud. Okay, so, and this helps me learn as well, guys. So from a novice trader's perspective, I'm going to try and do these videos more often as well. Thanks for watching, guys. Apologies for the length, but I was really hoping for a trade. and there's just not, I guess in reality, a lot of people aren't going to be trading. They're going to be holidays. They'll be spending time with their family, especially still today. They might fly over, Christmas Day, Boxing Day, and then leave like Wednesday. So maybe Wednesday night's going to be a little bit more active. I've actually got 12 hours tomorrow at work, so I'm going to bring the laptop in. It'll be quieter. The Wi-Fi at work has got better. I mentioned, I was like, hey, it's messing around with my work, and they're like, oh yeah, we're looking at that. So I didn't say stop trading though, because they wouldn't really be like, you doing that on company time? I'm like, yeah, I am doing it on company time. Thanks for coming. Anyway, bye for now, guys. I'll upload this straight away. Happy trading. Good luck.